Meaning of exploitive.
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 Exploitive. Exploitive refers to something or someone that takes unfair advantage of others for their own benefit. These actions often involve manipulating or abusing a situation or person in order to gain power, money, or control. The result of exploitive behavior can be devastating and lead to harm or suffering for those who are targeted. In business, exploitive practices can result in the exploitation of workers or consumers, and in personal relationships, exploitive behavior can lead to emotional or physical abuse. Overall, exploitive behavior runs counter to principles of fairness, justice, and respect for others.